Hello, and thank you for joining us for another Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. My name is Melvin Dothard, an application specialist here at Mimaki USA. In this video, I'll be creating PolePocket banners while utilizing one of Mimaki's newest printers, the JV330. When cutting banners, one of the biggest issues has been fiber threads that run through it, preventing plotters from cutting evenly throughout the material. Here at Mimaki, we have a solution for you. Introducing our new XY splitters. These blades cut through the material as the printer prints and does a sheet cut at the bottom and the top, giving you a finished banner without sacrificing the speed of the print. We all know seeing is believing, so let's dive right in and see how it's done.
Let's start with setting up the artwork. I will be using Adobe Illustrator for this tutorial. First, let's take a look at the size of the art. The final image will be 18 inches wide by 36 inches tall with a 2.5 pole pocket on the top and the bottom. Since the pole pocket adds an extra 5 inches, I need to create bleed for the top and the bottom folds. To do this, I'll duplicate my graphic, reflect it, and flip it 180 degrees. Finally, I'll align it to the top. I don't need to create bleed for the bottom side since this banner has negative space. With the bleed created, all that's left is to crop the artwork to size. I'll repeat the same process for the other artwork. Don't forget to save your print files as an EPS. Now that our print files are saved, let's open them in Rasterlink 7. To start, set up your print file as you normally would, adjusting the media profile and the copies if necessary. Under General Print, there's a unique option for the 330 series called XY Slitter. We're going to check that box. Adjust the width copies to utilize the most of your material's width. Since I don't need to adjust anything else, I'll repeat the same adjustments for the second print file. Before we print the artwork, we need to print the X cutter reference line to set up the slitters. In order to print with the XY slitters, make sure your JV330 has the finishing option activated. To check this, go to Menu, Function Setting, Finisher, and make sure the XY slitter is selected. This is what the reference pattern line looks like. Once it is finished printing, press OK to feed the material forward to the slitter. Now that the reference lines are visible from the bottom side, align your slitters to the black lines using the notch at the bottom of the slitter. Since I set my artwork up for 2 up, I will need to use 4 slitters to complete this print file. With the slitters in place, pull the lever to activate the blades through the media. As you can see, the JV330 printer has amazing color quality and speed. Once the cutter mark reaches the slitter, a sheet cut will occur, cutting the bottom or the top of the image. Since the slitters are already active, the sides of the print are being cut as the material feeds forward. With our banners fully cut out, we can now create the pole pockets. Measure 5 inches from the top and the bottom and make a line to mark the fold. Grab some double-sided banner tape and place a strip flush along the line you just created. Peel the liner and fold the banner over flush with the tape. We can see the pocket for the bottom side has now been created. Repeat this process for both sides and you now have your very own PolePocket banner. Thank you for joining us for another Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.